Have you ever thought that your eyes might actually heal themselves while you sleep? Not with pills, not with surgery, but simply through the food you eat before bed. Sounds unbelievable, right? So why is it that some people wake up seeing more clearly than the day before, while others at the very same age notice their eyes getting blurrier and dimmer over time? The truth is, there are 4 simple foods that, when eaten at the right time, can help your body switch on its natural eye repair system during deep sleep. And the most amazing part, most of us already have them sitting in our kitchen. We just never knew how to use them. If what you just heard sounds too good to be true, think back to the last time you squinted in the dark, when the headlights from an oncoming car hit your eyes and you had to pause for a few seconds just to see again. Or when you walked down the hallway in the middle of the night and everything looked foggy, distorted, like the light was melting into mist. That doesn't mean you're weak. It means your eyes are quietly crying for help, especially while you sleep, when most people think they're resting. According to the National Eye Institute, nearly 1 in 3 adults over age 60 experiences problems with night vision. That's a big number, and behind it are millions of stories of fear, frustration, and loss of independence. You might not talk about it out loud, but you probably feel it. Avoiding night driving, staying home because streetlights glare too much, or carefully feeling your way when you get up to use the bathroom at midnight. Doctors call this nighttime visual impairment, a gradual decline in your ability to see clearly in low light. It creeps in quietly, without pain. At first, your eyes just feel dry, slow to adjust from bright to dark. But over time, it makes reading harder, driving riskier, and walking at night more dangerous. And here's the surprising truth. Most people believe it's just part of getting older, but science says otherwise. Recent research shows that nighttime nutrition acts like a switch for your body's natural vision repair system. While you sleep, your eyes are still working, regenerating cells, repairing the retina, and fighting oxidative stress, if they have the right fuel. And that's what's about to be revealed. 4 simple, inexpensive foods that can trigger your eye's natural healing response while you sleep. You've probably eaten them before, just not in the right way. But once you understand this, every night's sleep could become your body's own natural vision care therapy, a quiet, effortless way to move closer to clear vision, one restful night at a time. And now, let's begin the journey to discover the 4 foods that can actually help your eyes heal themselves while you sleep. You might be surprised. The first one isn't anything exotic or expensive. It's sitting quietly in almost every refrigerator across America. A simple boiled egg. Number 4. Boiled egg, the golden shield that protects your eyes in the dark. According to many ophthalmology studies, eggs are one of the richest natural sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids known as the body's blue light filters. They concentrate in the macula, the part of your retina responsible for seeing clearly in low light. The American Optometric Association explains it this way. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like internal sunglasses, absorbing excess light and protecting the eyes from oxidative damage. That's why eggs can help reduce dry eyes, improve contrast sensitivity, and support better night vision. A real boost for anyone struggling with blurry vision after dark. Boiled eggs are also packed with vitamin A, a key nutrient for rhodopsin, a light-sensitive protein your eyes use to detect dim light. As Harvard Health Publishing reports, vitamin A deficiency is one of the leading causes of night blindness worldwide. When your body gets enough vitamin A before bedtime, your eyes can rebuild rhodopsin more effectively during deep sleep, the very phase when your natural eye repair process is at its strongest. Take Margaret, a 71-year-old retiree, for example. She used to avoid going out at night because the streetlights made everything look blurry and harsh. After following her ophthalmologist's advice, she started eating one boiled egg about an hour before bed. Just a few weeks later, she noticed something remarkable. The streetlights didn't look like exploding stars anymore, she said. I could read house numbers while walking with my granddaughter. No flashlight needed. Sometimes, the biggest difference doesn't come from a miracle pill or surgery, but from small, consistent habits done the right way. A single boiled egg, humble as it seems, can be your eye's quiet night guard, protecting your vision health and helping your body restore clear vision while you sleep. If the boiled egg is the quiet night guard protecting your eyes while you sleep, then the third food is the silent carrier, the one that helps all those precious nutrients actually reach your eyes. And believe it or not, it's that soft, creamy fruit most people only think of for salads, the avocado. Avocados aren't just a source of healthy fats, they're the key that helps your body absorb powerful antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, all essential for maintaining a healthy macular pigment density. Put simply, that pigment works like a natural shield inside your retina, filtering harmful blue light and protecting delicate eye cells from aging and oxidative stress, two of the biggest causes of blurry vision in older adults. According to Harvard Medical School, healthy fats such as those found in avocados help your body absorb antioxidants that protect the eyes from oxidative stress. And a study in the Journal of Nutrition 2017 reported that daily avocado consumption significantly increases macular pigment density, which is linked to better visual performance and reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration. In plain English, that means just one serving of avocado a day can help your body soak up more eye-nourishing nutrients and lower the risk of macular degeneration, the leading cause of central vision loss among seniors. Take Henry, 69. He used to love reading every night until the words started to blur and his eyes burned whenever he tried to focus on small print. He'd tried countless vision supplements, but nothing seemed to help. Then one day, after reading Harvard's findings, he began adding half an avocado to his thinner, sometimes alongside a boiled egg, sometimes blended into a smoothie. After 3 weeks, he noticed something small but meaningful. The words on the page stopped swimming, he said. My eyes didn't feel dry anymore, and I could read one more chapter before bed. Avocados don't just nourish your body, they help your eyes absorb light more gently, more warmly. When healthy fats blend with antioxidants, your eyes move and adjust more smoothly, almost like they've been oiled from within during deep sleep. And the next miracle food? It comes from a tiny, bright green fruit, one that carries a surprising power to restore your vision health, even as you dream, the kiwi. Number 2, kiwi, the fruit of deep sleep and restored eyes. Kiwi isn't just famous for having 3 times more vitamin C than an orange. It's also one of the rare fruits that naturally contains melatonin, the sleep-regulating hormone that helps your body drift into deep sleep. And it's during that deep sleep that real healing happens, when your body repairs tissues, regenerates cells, and yes, when your eyes, after working tirelessly all day, finally get the chance to rebuild damaged retinal cells caused by light exposure and oxidative stress. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, regular intake of vitamin C and E reduces oxidative stress and supports tear production, significantly improving ocular surface health. In simple terms, steady intake of vitamin C and E helps reduce dry eyes and supports a healthy corneal surface, the very thing that helps your morning vision feel clear and comfortable instead of foggy or irritated. Meanwhile, researchers at Taipei Medical University 2022 found that consuming 2 kiwi fruits 1 hour before bedtime improved sleep quality and next morning alertness due to increased melatonin bioavailability. A deeper, steadier sleep doesn't just refresh your mind, it allows your eyes to recover faster every single night. Ellen, 70, shared her experience. She used to wake up with burning, gritty eyes, like there was sand in them. After her daughter suggested trying kiwi before bed, she started a tiny new ritual: 2 slices of kiwi every night. After a month, she smiled and said, "For the first time in years, I woke up and my eyes felt refreshed, not tired." Her sleep became deeper, her eyes calmer, and every morning, even the light in her room seemed clearer, softer, more live. Kiwi doesn't just help you sleep, it transforms that very sleep into a natural vision therapy, where your eyes get hydrated, soothed, and gently renewed. But the journey isn't over yet, because the final food, though small, carries the healing energy of the entire ocean. The number 1 food for restoring your night vision might surprise you. It's something many people think of as just a casual snack: walnuts. But hidden beneath that rough shell lies pure energy for your eyes, especially while your body rests and repairs itself during deep sleep. Number 1. Walnuts, the heart of healthy eyes. Most people know that omega-3s are good for heart health, but few realize that your retina, the light-sensing part of your eye, is actually rich in DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, a type of omega-3 fat that makes up over 30% of the visual nerve cell structure. When your body runs low on DHA, the retina loses flexibility, light adaptation becomes weaker, and you may start noticing dry, burning, or blurry eyes, especially after a night's rest. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 2018, dietary omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, play a critical role in reducing inflammation and improving tear film stability, leading to better ocular comfort and vision clarity. In other words, when you regularly get omega-3s from natural sources like walnuts, your eyes become lubricated from the inside out, inflammation goes down, and the surface of your cornea stays comfortably moist, one of the best ways to support lasting eye health and clear vision. Take Harold, 74, a retired aerospace engineer. He used to wake up every morning with eyes so dry and irritated that he needed drops just to see clearly. "I thought it was just old age," he said, "but really I had stopped nourishing my eyes from the inside." After reading a Harvard Health article about omega-3s and vision care, he began eating a small handful of walnuts every night before bed, along with a warm glass of water. Within 6 weeks, he noticed a difference. The burning sensation was gone. My eyes felt calm, as if someone had turned off the fire. Walnuts don't just ease dryness, they help your retinal cells recover on a microscopic level, keeping your eyes hydrated through the night so you wake up clearer, more comfortable, and refreshed. And the best part, you don't need expensive supplements or special eye drops. Just one small nightly habit, a few walnuts before bed, and your body will take care of the rest naturally. Because during deep sleep, when everything else slows down, your eyes begin working their hardest. And it's the pure, steady energy from walnuts that helps them come back to life night after night. Now that all 4 guardians of vision have been revealed, it's time to uncover what happens when they work together, the secret to natural vision repair that takes place in every deep, healing night's sleep. And when all 4 of these guardians of vision, the egg, the avocado, the kiwi, and the walnut, come together in your evening meal, something truly remarkable begins to happen. Each plays a special role. The egg delivers lutein and vitamin A to your retina. The avocado helps your body absorb powerful antioxidants. The kiwi triggers deep, restorative sleep. and walnuts nourish your eye cells with omega-3s. But when they work together, they create a natural chain reaction, like a perfectly tuned orchestra, guiding your body into its built-in healing rhythm while you sleep. Scientists call this cellular regeneration during deep sleep. According to the National Institute of Health, during deep sleep, the body releases growth hormones and repairs tissues, including ocular cells that are damaged by daily oxidative stress. In other words, while you're fast asleep, your body is quietly repairing your eyes, if it has the right fuel. Eating these 4 foods about 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime provides a steady flow of vitamins, carotenoids, and omega-3 fatty acids, nutrients that travel directly to the retina and tear glands, helping reduce inflammation, rebuild tissue, and improve tear quality. No pills, no surgery, just letting your body return to the natural rhythm it was designed for. And maybe the most beautiful part isn't simply that you see more clearly. It's how you feel when you open your eyes the next morning. The light seems softer. Your eyes feel cool and refreshed, not dry or irritated. It's as if they've been gently washed clean overnight. That's the secret of natural vision recovery. It doesn't come from a clinic, but from your own kitchen. Once you understand this, you realize your eyes haven't weakened with age. They've just been waiting for a chance to rest, to be nourished the right way. No costly prescriptions, no complicated procedures. Sometimes the greatest healing power comes from the simplest things: a boiled egg, half an avocado, a few slices of kiwi, and a small handful of walnuts. As Harvard Health Publishing reminds us, small, consistent lifestyle habits often outperform quick fixes in maintaining long-term eye health. That's the real foundation for strong, youthful eyes. Not drastic change, but steady, loving care. You don't have to change your whole life, just the 15 minutes before you go to sleep. A light snack, a mindful choice, and your body will take care of the rest. Now imagine waking up tomorrow morning. No burning, no gritty dryness, no more blurry vision, just a calm, soothing freshness, like your eyes have been bathed in cool spring water. The light in your room feels friendlier, warmer, more alive, and in that moment, you'll realize you've given your eyes the gift of time. Start tonight just one food. Try it for yourself with just one simple food before bed. Tell us in the comments, which one will you start with? If this video helped you understand how to care for your eyes naturally, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Because who knows, with one small habit tonight, tomorrow, you may see the world a little clearer.